Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of Horikhali High School, Sonatala, Bogura. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. By the time of COVID-19, dear students, you have already heard the online class of Horikhali High School. So, I am Ms. Papia Akhtar, Assistant Teacher Social Science. I will discuss the English second paper, Unit 17, Lesson 1. Topic name is Voice. Let's enjoy the class. Look at the whiteboard, then read the following passage. Read the following passage. Jamil likes cycling. His father gave him some money to buy a bicycle. He bought it, but one day it was stolen. He looked it everywhere. At last the thief was caught. This is the passage. From the passage we recognize that what is voice. Notice the sentence, Jamil likes cycling. Jamil is subject, likes verb, cycling object or agent. When the statement or sentence subject is active, this is the active voice, because subject, here is the sentence, subject is door and action, so it is active voice. Then now notice the following sentence, but one day it was stolen. It is the passive voice, because the subject here is not door. This sentence is not subject active. This sentence, a passive sentence or a passive voice express an action performed upon the subject. A passive voice express an action performed upon the subject, so it is passive voice. Now we know what is voice. We know, therefore say that voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. In the same speech, in the same talk, active voice is subject, door, and active, and passive voice is not subject, door. Here is subject, here is the subject is not door. Upon the, it performed upon the subject or object. We know there are two kinds of voice, such as active voice, passive voice. Now we see the other picture. Dear student, now we know structure of active voice to passive voice. Active voice, object is subject. If the active voice change passive voice, so follow the rules. Active voice object is subject plus auxiliary verb according to tenses plus main verbs past participle plus extension if the sentence have plus preposition, use preposition, it may be by, to, at, for, with, but most of the preposition use by, plus active voice subject is object or agent. Example, this is the statement, I conduct passive voice. The ball hit Jessica. This is an active voice. Passive voice is active voice object Jessica is subject. This sentence or statement is past indefinite tense, so auxiliary use was. Jessica is third person singular, so use auxiliary verb was. If the subject is plural, it may use were. The statement have main verb hit. The hit is the main verb. It does not form present, past or participle. It is the same position, present, past or past participle. Use preposition by. The statement subject is ball, object the ball. I think understand it. We want to say, if conduct the active voice change to passive voice, we need some rules for grammatical subject. We need to know the change voice auxiliary verb according to tenses. If active voice is present indefinite or present simple, auxiliary verb is am, is, are. If tense past indefinite or past simple, auxiliary verb use was or were. If tense future indefinite or simple future, auxiliary verb use shall be or will be. In the same way, if tense present continuous, auxiliary verb use am being, is being, are being. Tense past continuous, auxiliary use was being, were being. Tense future continuous, auxiliary use shall or will be, being. We can see here is the continuous Here is use be auxiliary. In the same way, if the present perfect tense auxiliary use has been or have been, if the tense past perfect auxiliary use had been, tense is future perfect auxiliary used shall or will have been, shall or will have been. Here is the auxiliary verb. We use voice sense, active to passive, and other modal auxiliary we use voice. Modal auxiliary, if the sentence or statement have modal auxiliary, we use active to passive modal auxiliary at be verb, at be verb. Now we use some example on the board, different tenses. Example, he reads a book. Answer it. A book is, main verb is read, it change form, past participle by, subject is he, change objective form. Now we talk to, if the active voice have pronoun is subject, they change their form, such as subjective and objective. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. I hope look the whiteboard and gauge the right what I say. I say, if the active voice subject is pronoun, the pronoun change its form, such as those are. Rest of the subject are not changed because other subject, it may be third person, singular or pronoun, singular or plural. Now we see more examples. This is present indefinite tense. we use past indefinite tense. Rita wrote a letter. I think easily solve it, because what I say, all the speech you understand. Answer it. A letter was past participle written by Rita. I have taken medicine. This is present perfect tense. Answer it. Medicine is object, so it come. The sentence is first word, so the word's first letter is capital. Medicine has been taken by me. If the active voice sentence is present perfect tense, it gives opportunity, because this sentence main verb is past participle, so it is not change you. Okay, in this way we solve the all form of tenses: active voice, sense passive voice. Now I give homework. Some voice active to passive. This is for you homework. Change the following active voice into passive. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You must do the homework. When the school start, you must get the homework in the office. Then your subject teacher is evaluation and mark it. All the best. Thank you for your work.